back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to make cording. If you've ever made a Bucilla kit and have made cording, you know what I'm talking about. So I'm actually going to show you how to make it. And I decided to show you using two different colors. Okay, so we're going to use black and pink today. If you can see that. Anyway, so we're going to use black and pink, alright? And I'm using just regular cotton embroidery floss. And we're going to take some tape. And I like to tape it on top. So I'm going to grab this. And I'm going to use my chair today so you guys can actually see the cording being made. Okay, so there's the cording, or there's the tape. We're going to tape it up here, make sure it's nice and secure. Okay, so now we have that. You'll also need a pencil or a pen. You'll need a pen that has one of these on it, because we're going to use that for twirling the cord. Okay, so first you take your cord and you twist it. You twist it and you twist it and you twist it. It's cool because you can see. I chose two different colors so you can actually see the twisting part of it. Okay, I'm just going to get it nice, and I like to wet my fingers to get a good grip on it. So you can see that the cording is slowly being formed, and just twist it until you feel like it's tight enough. A good way to tell is if you let go a little bit and it does that. So if it does that, that means it's ready. Okay, so once you have it twisted the way you want, grab your pen and put it on like that, and then about the middle, and then you're going to drop it. Okay, I'm going to just drop it, and it's going to twist. Twist, 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 twist. Okay, so now that it stopped twisting, you can tell it's not twisting anymore. So actually, you can actually just take it off now, and it'll stay. Okay? Okay, and there is the cording, and I'll show you a close-up of it. So there's the cording done. And I'll give you a close-up shot of the cording. Here is a close-up of the cording that we made. And you can see that it was really easy to make. So, there you go. There is the cording. And just take this tape off. And you're going to knot the ends. And there you go, you've got a nice piece of cording to work with. If you like this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. I've got some wonderful tutorials on how to make Bucilla kits and embroidery stuff. So if that's something you guys like, please hit that subscribe button. If you have any comments down below, please leave those down there, and if you have any questions, please leave them down there also. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!